Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp. And today we are visiting 79th, and this boat's familiar. This is, I believe, the Jan Pablo. I see it down here at 79th all the time, but I think this is a different crew. I'm pretty sure this is not the same captain and crew I usually see on board this vessel. But they're making their approach toward the dock, and let's see how this approach goes. It's kind of a busy day down here, so there's not really a spot open for this crew yet, but it looks like the boat over here on the left is getting pulled forward, so they'll probably be able to make a move in on that dock. And it looks like that's what they're going to do. We're going to take a shot at 4. Cap stands up to get a better angle. What is going on here? I'm wondering if they're not having some kind of mechanical issue. Things sound a little funky. And he definitely doesn't like the approach. It looks like we're trying to reverse back out of this one already. So he's got it turned hard over, but man, he's not going to make that from this angle as well. This is a tough shot. There we go. He can go bow back into 4, and he stops. But now, if he would have kept going, there we go, bro. Go ahead and get that bow heading in toward 4. Going at a sharp angle, and then just kick that stern back over to the left. And do we lose power? All she's got to do is go for the toss. She forgoes that toss. And we're going to have to set this one up again. So Cap's going to back up, but that's going to make for a tough position. This one, he needs to pull all the way back out. He's already in really a funky spot. Oh, careful. He's going to hit the dock. We're just going to miss. I think they had their opportunity there to get on the dock. She could have tossed the line and probably got... Oh, and the boat behind him! We almost had a collision there, too. He didn't even see the boat behind him. The captain's never even turned around. He's not looked yet. He still doesn't know there's a boat back there. Oh, here we go. I think he should see it now. But he's backing into him again. This boat's like, bro, what are you doing? That was close. So we basically pulled all the way back out on this one, and we're going to have to reset completely. I'm determined there's some kind of mechanical issue here, though, because they look like they're struggling. Once again, I don't believe this is the normal crew I see on this vessel, though, either. And these guys get it up there, but you can tell by the way the stern's kicking out on this boat, so this is what he's battling. I mean, he's got a wind and current. They should be pushing him into the dock, but it's... So they're going to come back round one more time on this one. What are they doing? I don't have a good explanation on this one. It's a little confusing to watch. So I guess we're going to maybe back up to 4 again and try it again. He's got a tough angle here, too. He's going to miss from this spot. He's going to have to back up more on this. He might not have a bad approach. Mommy in the bows trying to give him some advice. And they don't have a terrible angle right here. You just got to give it a little throttle and get it over there. She could go for the reach and possibly get him off here as well, but she's just not interested. They're a little far out, but I mean, the Cap missed almost to the exact same spot he missed on the first attempt. Coming in a little hot this time. He's going to have to brake check it. He does, but it's going to stop him short. And he's getting that bow to turn a little bit. maybe he's got the right angle on this one. Oh no, he's gonna miss again. Watch out for the dock, bro. He's gonna have to brake check and pull back. And we're starting to get a little bit of a line back here now, and Mommy in the bow is starting to look a little embarrassed as well. And so she's going to wave the boat that's here in front of them in and let them go ahead and have their shot first. I mean, that was awfully generous of them. Oh, but Mama sees the camera and she's like, oh, man. So they were waving the other boat we just saw come over here in, and they're going to, I guess, get first crack at 4. So here they go. And this will give Cap a minute to kind of set himself up and see what the situation is. At least he'll be able to watch this boat and maybe get an idea now of what he needs to do on his approach. Is he going to come right in behind him? So they've let them go in, but it appears they're just going to come right in behind him as well. Now Cap's waiting, and sometimes this is a good thing. Sometimes you can kind of get an idea of what to do by watching the other boat. They're going to be able to see how this other boat reacts. Even though we can't see it, we're being blocked on this one, but if he can just see which way the boat's kind of going and how they approach the dock, it may help him organize his approach a little bit better. Oh, man. Well, that's not going to help him on his approach at all. Oh, man. I bet these guys are regretting they got let go in front of now. He crushed that engine. Oh, my God. Wow. Fortunately, no animal or human was hurt in this one. I mean, he smacked that engine cowl hard. Oh, man. That's a rough way to end the day here at the boat ramp. I mean, his boat looks almost fine, but that engine cowl is wrecked. Now my guy at the Jan Pablo's like, yeah, bro, that's what I was trying to avoid. Oh, and I thought the Jan Pablo was the hero, and these guys cut in front of him. I mean, he let him go in front of him, but man, this guy in the dock's going to watch this video back and be like, bro, why did you let him go? And this is the aftermath of our engine cowl, but man, what a rough day for these crews. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and the machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.